Hi, my name is Dee. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make help icons appear by default on all the pages where they're available. Let's begin by opening the Setup and Maintenance work area. For your offering, find the Application Extensions functional area and open the Set Help Options task. We select this checkbox to show help icons by default. This setting applies to all users, and I don't need to set it again for other offerings. After I sign out and sign back in, I can see that the help icons are displayed by default, for example on this page. At any time, we can still hide the help icons or show them again. But the icons will appear by default every time individual users sign in based on the help option. And that's it. Thanks for watching.